So let's go over to Azure Data Studio where we're going to create a table. I have a line up here that says drop table if exists. So basically this is going to drop my existing table from where I was doing some testing. We're going to create a table. We're going to include the name, which we're going to use with varchar for the data type and 250 characters, just to ensure that we have a large enough field there to hold any character names that come in. We have the description, and I'm using varchar max just because to make sure, again, that we have enough space in that field to hold that full description. The resource URI, just in case we need it at some point in the future, it'll be good to have. The URI is really just a URL. Again, using max just in case it is a long URL that comes through. The thumbnail, varchar max again, just in case it does happen to be a really long URL that comes through. Comics, we're going to do int for integer. This is because this is the number of comics that character shows up in. And then finally we have the ID, and that'll be important for any other API calls that we may call where we're needing to relate from a character ID, maybe in a comic API, back to this character table. We're going to run that script. You'll see that it completed successfully and executed in 1/100th of a second. So very quick, doesn't take long to create a table and drop a table if it exists. Before we do take a look at the API, why don't you put down in the comments below, what's your favorite Marvel character, if you have one?